It's going to be a very short video, just one item unboxing from 20B collection. Please guys, stay with me. OMG, OMG. And I was just saying that the quality became much more. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana, and if you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, please consider subscribing to my channel. Today is going to be a very short video. It's just a one item from 20B collection, and I have already video 20B haul or some unboxing from the 20B. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. But this item I couldn't buy the first time because the moment it came to boutique it was sold right away, and then obviously they reorder again, and I was lucky to obtain it. This style, and I mean it's a custom jewelry, this style of the earrings is very popular. The very first time it came to boutiques, it's pretty much sold right away. And I'm gonna share also with you price guys later on, if might be anybody potentially interested, and I'm gonna share with you the style. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. So here is the gorgeous box, and I mean it's a true unboxing guys. It's really true unboxing. I didn't unbox it before, and there we go. I mean I should point to the camera most likely. So some booklet with the care, and really excited. So let me just show for you the earrings. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. Let me just show you guys, and I'm gonna wear them. Oh my gosh, look at these earrings. The very first time this style of the earrings came to the market, I'm gonna insert pictures somewhere over here. They were just a simple yellow with no any stones or anything, and I want to get those earrings for a very long time. This one, they have little bit of stones, they have little bit of pearls. And as I said, when I talked to my nowadays the stones and the pearls, the way Chanel actually, like, you know, put them in, they are more safe. And she said, like, literally lately in the last couple of years, nobody is coming for the repair with the new items. So keeping fingers crossed. OMG. OMG. And I was just saying that the quality became much more. They're absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. So let me try them on for you guys, and I'm gonna show them a little bit closer right now, some little bit of details before I put them on. Let me just actually put my glasses on so that I can see what I want to show to you. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me guys? Check this out. It's actually, the stone is just drop off. OMG. That is really wrong. OMG. Like, I will show to you guys right away. It was true unboxing and the stone fall off. OMG. OMG. And I was just saying that the quality became much more. Definitely not keeping this. Definitely I'm gonna call right now my SA, and I say that I wanna return them right away. As I said, this video is going to be very short, and it's really short. So these earrings are going back to, you know, to boutique. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.